Alright guys, we're back. This is where I was yesterday. And same as always, just had to do a quick stop by it at the local IGA. So, nothing like a bit of bacon and cheese rolls to get the morning going. Bargain, 10 pieces, $5. Oh yeah, live off the coffee. And because I was at IGA and I ran out of chicken yesterday, had to go and get one chicken breast for today's video. So, with having said that, let's get it going. Get me knife and me pliers out. And these pliers have been really good to me so far. Very happy with that. BCF guys. And yesterday, didn't realise until I was actually looking properly, the fish grips I have, I've actually got a sneaky tape measure inside of them. Did not realise that till yesterday. Probably should have had a proper look. Knife. So, I got a bit of lunch for me and the fish today. First things first, I need my trusty stick I had yesterday. Now I did pull it out of the water, just got to find it. Okay, let's get set up. Yeah, so $4 for one chicken breast, so support your local small shops in these tough times, because they really need our help. Alright, so let's cut. Oh, my phone's going off. Oh, screw it up. Its next scheduled service. Alright. Just a bit of chicken, a bit of the good stuff. That should just about do it this morning. Nothing too fancy, just a nice bit on the big hook, like always. Bit tangled this morning, but we'll get him. See if there's any hungry ones out there this morning. I'll tell you what, they were hungry yesterday. Could not keep the chicken up to him yesterday. Let's see how we go with that one. Just leave that sit there for a minute. Water's running still a bit. Water's gone down since yesterday, but we'll see how that goes today. One, two, thank you. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, it's found its spot. First things first, we need a bit of the good iced coffee. While we wait. And I don't think it's going to be terribly long before we have a bite. Best breakfast ever. Check this out. Wonder if I can get a sneaky one in before the fish. So the whole yesterday, I got 3 in this spot, and I got the first fish within 10 minutes. So let's see if we can do that again today. Got a bit of a dust storm going on today. Just dust and clouds everywhere. And the wind. So let's hope we can get a fish today. I like my chances, but we will see how far we get. Nothing yet, but it's only been 6 minutes. Still very windy today. Probably doesn't help with the dust storm either that we're having. Very, very windy this morning, but this is what it was like yesterday, and I managed a good day.